Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about progress dialogs. What is the use of progress dialog? For example, whenever you are downloading a file, we can see the progress of that file, 10%, 20%, 30%, up to 100%, right? Or when you open WhatsApp, okay, mostly in the mornings or sometimes, what happens, we get a loader for backing up your messages, please wait. So that waiting message, that loader message, that is used to show the user that something is going on in the background. Please wait for some time. That is called as the progress dialog. Today we will see how to display that progress dialog. So I have already created this project. In this project I have added a button. Click here. The ID of this button is download in the design section. In the Java part, we have created an object of this button download. Here I have initialized that object. And now we have, what is my requirement? Whenever I click on the download button, the progress bar should display. It will be a simple progress bar. It will not actually download a file or load or back up your messages. Okay. So here we'll have to create the click event. Download dot set on click listener, new space capital O, enter. So this is the click event of download button. Now we have to display a progress dialog. For that purpose, the class used is progress dialog. Don't use progress bar. We have to use progress dialog. PD equals to new progress dialog. And here you have to pass main activity dot this. So what happens? I have created a object of class progress dialog PD equals to new progress dialog main activity dot this. Similar to alert dialog, you have to design it. So PD dot set title loading. Then you can set a message. So PD dot set message. Set message. Please wait. You can also set an icon like PD dot set icon. So you can add an image in your drawable folder and you can give a path. Here I'll use r.mitmap dot IC launcher. Next, PD dot set progress style. Progress dialog dot style spinner or style horizontal. These are the two values. So if you want to show the progress in terms of 0 to 100, you can use style horizontal. Let's first go for style horizontal. Now my design is complete. You can set same properties like set cancelable. Right now we will set as set cancelable true. And finally to display we have to use PD dot show. It is simpler as compared to alert dialog. Let's check the output of this horizontal progress dialog. Okay. Yes, so let's run this program. On the emulator we will be able to see the output. This is my button. Now when I click on it, see, loading, this is the icon, please wait, and it is showing a horizontal progress bar. It will not go ahead because we haven't done that programming to move it. Okay? Dismissed. Now instead of style horizontal, we will go for the second one, style spinner. And let's see what is the change if we go for style spinner. If you go for style spinner and we will click here. So see now what is happening? It is an loading progress bar. Okay, which shows an infinite loading. Here there is no numerical values. Okay, it will take some 2 seconds, 3 seconds, so you can use this spinner progress dialog. So that's it about the progress dialogs. You can use it on an event. We are going to see more about this progress dialogs in our connectivity section. Okay, so when we have to do a internet connectivity, for example, you are registering and your data should be stored on a server, it may take time because of some network issues. So there we have to display these progress dialogs for the user to know that something is happening in the background. Okay. We will say it again. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.